Lord, kung sino man po ang nanonood sa video ito, bless niyo po siya at wag po ninyo siyang pababayaan at iiwan. Kung may pinagdaraanan po siyang mabigat na problema, bigyan niyo po ng solusyon. Kung may sakit siya, kagalingan. Panginoon, ipinagkakatiwala po namin lahat sa inyo sa ngalan ni Jesus na aming Panginoon. Amen. God bless you.
Almighty Father, thank you for this wonderful sunrise which brightens my heart and fills me with joy. I am grateful for every breath I take, knowing that it's a special gift from you. Today, I may encounter challenges, but I find comfort in knowing that with your help, I can face them all. Your strength will uphold me, your wisdom will be my compass, and your peace will soothe my soul. I look forward to the blessings, miracles, and answered prayers that this day holds. I trust that
Panginoon,